Hey y'all, it's your girl Elo for life, and I've been gone for a minute. Yes, I have, but I've been super busy with job projects, so on and so forth. So I haven't really had time to record any videos. But now that this quarter is over, hopefully I can get back to record my videos. So today I wanted to come at you all with a video about magnetic lashes. Now look, I've never worn magnetic lashes, nor have I ever worn the other lashes where you put the glue on them. I never put them on before. So I wanted to do a video on how easy it is to put on magnetic lashes. And I think I'm probably do another video on how easy it is for a beginner to put on the other lashes with the glue. So let's get started. So I went to Target. Why do my lashes, y'all? Oh, yeah. I went to Target today, and I saw these lashes. And I was like, oh, magnetic lashes. I always wanted to try putting on lashes. But you know what? One time I've tried it before, and it just didn't work out. And it wasn't magnetic lashes. It was actually lashes with the glue. Now, I don't know how many people out there or how many of you all have that thing where people start messing with your eye and, you know, you just don't want stuff close to your eye because you start flinching and everything. So I'm going to make an attempt today to put on these magnetic lashes. So let's get to it. So these are the lashes that I bought by Ardell. And they are, I don't know if these are the natural lashes or the wispy. I know they're not the mink ones. But I just wanted to try this because I just thought it was just so interesting. So let's just see what happens. So let me go ahead and open up the package. And as you all can see, you get 2 sets of lashes. I don't know if you can see that real good. It's, oops. If my camera just get a little focus. It's an upper and an under. Let me open this package up. Because they got these little things on here. And I think it'd probably be good if I would just read the directions. But you know how sometimes you just think you already know how to do stuff? And, okay, let me read the directions. What does it say? It says, gently remove the upper magnetic lash from the tray and lay on top of your natural lash line. 2. Gently remove the under magnetic lash from the tray and place beneath your natural lash line to connect the 2 magnetic lashes together. Okay, let's try this, y'all. I'm going to try it. Like I said, this is my first time ever putting on magnetic lashes. They have it labeled upper. You can see that. Upper and under. So they tell you to do the, you know what I need to do? Let me get my hair out my face. Oh, I wanted to mention, this is a wig made by me. I did cut it into a bob. And I dyed it jet black. This is a, what is this? A 4x4 closure. And I just kind of like use some clippers. And I kind of cut it into a bob. Real easy, real simple. This is actually an old wig that I had. And I decided to transform it into something else because I wanted a different style. I wanted something short because the summertime's coming. I don't want anything down my back or all over my neck. So this is something like pretty. It's pretty. It won't be on my neck, so it won't make me too hot. So before anybody asks me, yes, this is hair from ilovewigs.com. And so far it's been great. But let's get back to the video. So it said take your upper lash and put it on your natural lash line. So I'm going to carefully, and it looks like it has something sticky on there. Uh-oh. Because I don't want to mess up my lashes now. These things cost me, what was it, $15 at the store? So I don't want to mess them up. Oops. I kind of like just tore it off of there, but Be gentle, because what happens is it leaves a little piece of that. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. It leaves a little piece of lash on there. Look like it's something sticky to keep it together. So, this is supposed to be magnetic. Now, if you look at the lash itself, oops, it has like these little, 1, 2, 3, 4 little, I don't know if you can see that. Let's see. See that? Sorry for my hands, y'all. They ashy. But that's all right. We all good. It has 4 little, I guess that's part of the magnetic pieces that are on the lash. And I'm going to have to grab this bottom one. Now, I don't like people messing with my lashes. I mean, with my eyes. So, I'm going to take a mirror and try to put this on. So, put it on your natural lash line, your top. Oops. Look at that. Falling all over the place. Okay, that's on there, y'all. Hold on. Hold on. Let me get that bottom one. I don't see how y'all... Oh, my God. Did I just drop... Look at that, y'all. See? I ain't got time for this. This is the reason why I don't put on no lashes. This is the reason why I don't put on no lashes. So let me see if I can find this a different way to do this. Lord have mercy. Let me try this again. So I'm going to try to put this on. Uh-oh. Don't move your eye, because if you move your eye, the lash going to come down. So I'm trying to put it on my... I don't know if y'all can see that. Oh, Lord Jesus. Like I said before, this is why I don't do lashes. Just give me some mascara and I'm good. Try this again. Upper lash on your natural line. I need some assistance. That's what it is. Let me try to take this bottom one on there real quick. Oh, Lord. I just dropped that one. Y'all, I am just having the hardest time doing this. Hold on 1 second. I just dropped my lash. I would think this would be a lot easier than doing the glue stuff. But, I could be wrong. Okay. I'm going to keep my eyes still. Let me try this. Oh, Jesus. Y'all, look at that. Okay, hold on. And I think this is the top one. I hope this is the top one. Maybe if I took it and pinched it on my eye. That's why I said, I don't understand how y'all be doing this. How in the heck? I might have to try this my own way. This is the top, this is the bottom. Hold on. Top. And you need to have that one ready. Look, they stuck to each other. And they ain't even on my dang eyelash. Is it really that hard? Lord, give me strength. Let me try this again. Let me just try this again. I'm going to get this. Maybe it's easier doing the glue. I don't... Okay. Okay. Hold on. know what? I am not getting this, y'all. Like I said before, I don't know how y'all be putting this stuff on. Maybe y'all can give me some pointers out there. This is a mess. Maybe I need to just do this a little different. Hold on. Hold up. Wait a minute. Okay, let me look at the camera. Okay, can't see that. I can't do that either. And I really want to get this. You know, if I want to go out and look cute, sometimes, you know, if I want to put this on, I'm just trying to figure out, why is it so hard? I don't understand why this is so hard. Y'all see? Lord, y'all see it up there? Y'all see that? Hold on. Let me find my other layers. So I know if I blink. How many minutes? I've been recording for 11.5 minutes. And I still ain't got this eyelash on my eye. Okay. No. Okay. You know what? I think I'm going to have to... I'm going to put a little mascara on first. See what happens. Because that ain't working. So let me... I'll be back. Hold up. Y'all can't be seeing all that. Got stuff back there. So, I am back. And I put a little mascara on my eyelashes. Now... I already got no eyelashes. Look at that. Look at that. Maybe that's the reason why I can't get it on there. Maybe that's the reason I can't get it on. As you can see, though, they do stick. If you get it lined up right. If you can get these little suckers lined up right. They stick. So, maybe, let's try this again. You know what? I might have better do this on camera. So, let me pause the camera. And I will be right back. Whew, Lord Jesus. Y'all, I don't see how y'all makeup gurus, I don't see how y'all do this. Like, it literally took me another 10-15 minutes just trying to get this on. And it's not even on all the way. Jeez. I'm going to tell you what was happening, okay? I was in the mirror, and I was trying to put it on at the top one, like they said. And as soon as I get the bottom one close to the top one, it's like I just want to snap on there. So it would come away from my eye, from my natural eyelash. It would come away from there, and it'd be hanging off my eyelash. And this one ain't even on all the way. See, that don't even, it feels a little funny because, like I said, I've never worn eyelashes before. But look at that right there. It's not even on all the way. What the hell? Y'all, that was hard. I wish I had the glue ones. I thought I had some glue ones. I don't know where they're at. To see if the glue ones were easier to put on than these magnetic ones. Now, these magnetic ones, I'm telling literally like, what, 30 minutes? Who has 30 minutes to be putting on the eyelash? I mean, that's almost an hour. I don't know. Maybe it's just me because it's my first time putting on eyelashes. Maybe that's it. If anybody got any suggestions on how to put on magnetic lashes, I just thought it was interesting because I had to put no glue on my eye. I didn't want to put no glue on my eye. But looking at it, I mean, it ain't too bad. It feels a little weird because I'm not used to, I'm not used to, feel like I got like a wing on my eye, like a wing up there. Woo. See that? If anybody have any better suggestions on how to put on magnetic lashes, fill me in on how y'all do it. Please let me know how y'all do this. Maybe I'll do another video on how to put on. I ain't gonna say how to, because most of y'all already know. But like I said, I'm a newbie and I've never worn lashes before. Maybe I'll do another video on how hard it is for a newbie to put on the glue ones. Because this was hard. And I ain't even got the other one on yet. And I ain't gonna put it on because I just wanted to see how hard it was gonna be to put this on. But I think once you get it on right, I think it's actually pretty cool. Once you get it on right. I ain't got it on right all the way yet. I'm going to have to practice. But, like I said, a girl ain't got time when she got somewhere to go. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at that. Ain't even on all the way. When a girl got time to go somewhere, she ain't got time to be spending no hour putting on no magnetic lashes, okay? Whew. So, I just wanted to make this video just so y'all can see how hard it is. How hard it is for me to put on lashes. And maybe how hard it is for a newbie. So, like I said, if anybody got any suggestions, then maybe I'll go out and do a little research. On the back of the directions, it just says makes it sound so easy. Now, taking these lashes off ain't so bad. Taking it off. You don't just tear it off, rip it off. The directions actually say, using your index finger and thumb, carefully slide the top and bottom magnets away from each other one by one. Do not pull lashes straight off. Pull your lashes straight off, you ain't gonna have no lashes. And as you can see, I ain't got no lashes anyway. So, because this is halfway semi-on. Oh, and I did want to let y'all know, I did put some more mascara on my wishing my lashes. Just trying to get it to lay on it. So, that is what helped me. But don't just tear it off. Let me just slide. Like it said, slide it off. There you go. Right there. And see, it's still sticking. You can't see that. You can't see that. Yeah, it's still sticking. And like I said, when I was trying to get close to the... It was just... They were just flying to each other. So it was just hard for me to put these little suckers on. But that's the only thing I have for y'all today. Magnetic lashes. I'm going to keep practicing. Watch, y'all going to see me in my other videos. And I'm going to have these little suckers on. So I think my next video, maybe I'll do one with the glue. This one gave me a hard time. And I don't see how y'all do it. I don't see how y'all do it. But I'm going to keep practicing. So I'm not going to give up. That's one thing I'm not going to do. I'm going to keep trying and trying and trying. So, if you want to see more of my videos, rate, comment, subscribe. Do what you got to do. Hit that notification bell. And I'm going to try to make videos at least once a week on something. So, holla if you hear me. Toodles.